Hello guys, I've dishwasher Whirlpool W7F and today I will tell you about the programs of this device. So the first program, it's number 1, it's Eco. Program is suitable to clean normally salted doubleware that for this use is the most efficient program in terms of its combined energy and water consumption. The next program, number 2, is Auto Intensive, automatic program for heavily soiled dishes and pans. Program number 3, it's Auto Mixed, automatic program for normally soiled dishes with dried food. Program number 4, it's Auto Fast, automatic program for normally lighted soiled dishes. The next one is for Rapid, the number 5. Program is recommended for limited amount of lightly soiled dishes with no dried food. The next one program is Crystals for glasses. Number 7, it's Silent. Number 8 is Sanitizing. Number 9 is a pre-wash. Number 10 it's Self-Clean. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.